few years ago, I managed to make my hard drive burst into flames. Despite having built multiple computers at that point, I'd never heard or assumed that PSU SATA cables were not cross-compatible.
Ah,
Do you have any
yes.
other explosive stories?
I'd say my best story, just like lighting something on fire, was probably. Oh, I mean, I had one recently, actually. Okay, I got a couple. Never mind. I tried to install a PCI card. Oh man, no. I don't remember anymore exactly what I tried to do. I wrote this out on the forum, like back in the like probably 9 years ago on the forum. So I might tell the story wrong, but in a nutshell, I tried to install a PCI card into a. Oh no, I remember. Okay, there was a PCI card that had some kind of a 4-pin header on it, and probably it was for something to like some kind of breakout cable or something like that. I mistook it for a 4-pin floppy female connector for like auxiliary power for the card. So I plugged it in, powered on the system, and promptly released the magic smoke that was inside that card that made it work.
I had a buddy who. Sorry, I thought you were done.
No, go ahead.
I had a buddy who was fairly aggressively overclocking a computer and shot some blue flames out of the back of the power supply.
I like it.
But I have never, I think, been in that scenario.
I managed to scorch the back of a motherboard just a couple of weeks ago.
Nice.
Yeah, I was helping the neighbor build their PC, and young neighbor, and one of my son's friends. And I wasn't paying close enough attention. This is at least partially on me. And he was trying to put it into the back of the IO shield spot and dragging it around on the standoffs. Knocked a couple caps off the back.
Ooh.
So I made a clumsy attempt at putting them back on, knowing that it was probably dead anyway. And whether it was the scratches to the traces around it or whether it was something else, when you hear that sound,
Yeah.
it's bad.
Yeah, pack
So
it in.
that was
You're done.
pretty recent.
Yeah, I haven't killed anything with like fire, but I've bricked some stuff, but I guess it doesn't fit in this story.